of the biggest mistakes people generally make, and I'm guilty of it too, is wishful thinking. You know, like you want something to be true, even if it isn't true. You ignore the real truth because of what you want to be true. This is a very difficult trap to avoid.
What will you do if the signal is gone? What will you do when the power goes out? When the police don't respond? When your phone doesn't work? When the market collapses? When your family, your friends are all gone? When your neighbors judge you for how you look? What you drive? How you vote? How you live? When instead of a country having walls, your state does. At that very moment, who are you? What will you become when the signal dies?
I tried to convince people to slow down. This was futile. Maybe they will. So far they haven't.